Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the OnePlus 7 Pro, the McLauren 5G edition. Now the first thing you'll notice is this cool orange box. I actually like this orange. And it has this carbon fiber design on the box on the inside that I think is pretty cool as well. But let's go ahead and take this thing apart and see what it comes with. Inside of this orange peel, there's this never settle symbol that I think is pretty cool too, because that's their tagline, and I'm a fan of that. As you can see, the name being written on that carbon fiber finish. This is the box that was inside of that orange wrap, but we'll go ahead and start taking this thing apart and see what is inside of it. So these are sealed, so they're brand new devices. Everything that I usually get on this page typically are brand new, sent to me by either T-Mobile or whatever carrier might be selling it if it's exclusive. This one particularly is only sold either through OnePlus directly or through T-Mobile, since they do have that agreement with OnePlus to sell their devices in the United States. So if you're looking for one of these, go into your local T-Mobile store to get your hands on one. Now inside of it, we have, again, this orange holder. This is holding, it looks like all of the documents for the device. Let me see here. This comes out. Oh, there we go. The books are here. So here we have a welcome guide. This book typically gives you a little bit of tips on how to use your device and how to set it up. We have the SIM tool. Most of these devices require one of these tools to pop the SIM card tray out of the devices, considering that everything is enclosed, including the battery. Now it doesn't look like there's anything else. Oh, wait. There's something else in there. Oh, the terms and condition and a limited warranty. This is a typical in any new device that you buy, especially from T-Mobile. They always provide that information with every phone. Now we have the charging base. Again, it has that orange finish that they have. This looks like it's a very fast charging base with the orange on the inside too. So it looks like they're really going with the orange theme for this device. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. It feels good to hold. It definitely feels solid. If you had a OnePlus 7 Pro before, it feels very similar, if not identical. Here we have the USB-C, the Type-C cable, again with an orange finish. So it looks like the theme for this phone is that orange color for the McLauren edition. Let me see what else we have here. Never settle. I really like that line. I'm a fan of that tagline. Let's go ahead and unwrap this device. I really like the finish on the back. I'm a fan of this. I might actually switch over to this phone as my main device, just because of how it looks and how it feels. If you like the design of this phone, please leave a comment below and let me know. But let's continue. Take a look at the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up so I can show you some of the cool additional features that it comes with. So we'll go ahead and skip through this setup. I just want to get to the main software. All the agreements. We're not gonna put a screen lock. Let's go ahead and skip through this. I'll probably do a video showing you guys how to set up the device as a whole, to show you the different setups that the phone does offer. On example, the app tray, you can have a different style to find your apps and things like that. But now let's continue. So one of the things that I want to show you guys, if you've never owned a OnePlus 7 Pro, is the front facing camera. It is hidden and it comes out. That's probably one of the coolest features I've seen in a phone. I've played with it. It seems like a solid device. Another thing, you guys may not hear it, but sound quality wise, this phone probably has one of the best speakers that I've heard in a phone ever. Close second would be Samsung. Now, if you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a comment below and share the video. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure you subscribe.